I'm Heather with WTI. Are you with me and live in a mom bun almost daily? Well, I found the perfect hat. It's this C.C knit cap, but you can still rock your bun.
Kind of a perfect name. The C.C beanie tail is great for whether you're rocking that bun with your beanie or a ponytail. It's this soft and stretchy cable knit material, so it's beautiful to look at. This in particular is a great color, but I have multiple of these hats. They have so many different colors available, and even though they are hand washed, I toss mine in the washing machine all the time and it's just fine. As you can see, it has great stretch. The hole itself can be smaller or larger, whatever, to accommodate how much hair you have piled up and stuffed in here. It really looks nice, and I live in this, whether I'm camping or out at the fire. I even wear this when it's not cold enough to be wearing a hat because they are perfect for those messy hair days, bad hair days, case in point.
And that's my point of view.